I'm about to share with you one of the biggest mistakes that naturally introverted salespeople can make. Welcome back to Medicare Agent IQ, where we help sales agents become better at their job. The mistake I'm referring to is getting caught in the identity of being an introvert. It's a common misconception that being introverted means that you're doomed to be socially awkward. But let me tell you, that's just not the case. The two are not inherently linked. And the good news, you can learn to overcome this. Firstly, let's talk about the power of reading. There are books out there that can transform the way that you interact with people. One classic book that I always recommend, and I've recommended it on our podcast, is How to Win Friends and Influence People. Yes, it's about 90 years old, but the principles in it are timeless. The advice given in this book is as relevant today as it was back then. It's about understanding human nature and learning how to connect with people on a deeper level. One of my favorite parts is when the author, Dale Carnegie, talks about asking people about themselves. It's a great way to break the ice. It's not surprising that people tend to want to talk about their favorite subject, which is usually them. Another great read is Winning with People. These books provide invaluable insight into human interactions and teach you practical ways to improve your communication skills. They're not just for sales professionals. Anyone can benefit from the wisdom that they offer. Now, I'm going to go ahead and get a little bit personal for a minute. I wasn't always good with people. In fact, I was pretty bad. I was opinionated and yes, at times, socially awkward. But after diving into these books and really applying their lessons, I saw a significant change in how I interacted with others. It's about making a conscious decision to improve and then taking actionable steps to do so. In sales, especially in Medicare sales, being able to connect with people is crucial. It's not about selling a product, but it's about building relationships, understanding needs, and providing solutions. And for that, you need to be able to communicate effectively and empathetically. So if you're struggling with social skills, don't despair. Recognize that it's a skill that you can develop. Sure, it takes a little bit of practice, patience, and a willingness to step out of your comfort zone. Start by setting small goals for yourself. Maybe it's starting a conversation with a stranger or practicing active listening with a friend. Gradually, you're going to build confidence and find that interacting with people becomes more natural. Remember, being introverted or not naturally good with people doesn't define your ability to succeed in sales. What matters is your willingness to learn and grow. Embrace the challenge, and you'll be surprised at how far you can go. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful in any way, please do me a favor. Would you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content? We're here to help you succeed in Medicare sales, no matter where you're starting from. So until next time, do me a favor also. Would you listen to our podcast? It's available here on YouTube, but also anywhere else that you get it, Spotify or Apple Podcasts or even Google Podcasts. Until next time, thank you.